Dr. Zaik.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. आपका
Okay.
नाम और आपका पेशा.
My name is Yashma Asad Gill and I am an actress.
आपका नाम क्या है?
Yashma Asad Gill.
यशमा सरगिल.
Yashma Asad Gill.
जी हाँ.
Okay, I know the time is limited, but I really want to address your contribution in my journey. There was a time when I had fallen into the trap of atheism back in the days when I was doing my bachelor's, but Alhamdulillah, it was your videos and your lectures that brought me back to my religion and brought my spirituality back to me and my faith back to me. So Alhamdulillah for that, and thank you for coming to my country and especially my city. You've been a mentor, and you are my. I'm literally shaking right now. I'm so sorry. You're okay. So the question is, pardon me.